In this tutorial, I will teach you how to add images to a Squarespace page. This process is quite straightforward, so even if you're a complete beginner, don't worry, I will guide you through every step. The first thing that we need to do is to locate the page where we want to place our image. On your Squarespace dashboard, go to the Pages panel and click on the specific page that needs the image. Once you've found it, click Edit. You will then be taken to the editor where you'll see the page content and can start adding features and modifications. Next, we need to add an image block to the page. To do this, move your cursor over the page content. You will notice a small bubble or an insert point appear. When you see it, click on it. A block menu will then show up. This menu contains different blocks that you can add to the page. Look for the image option and click on it. What we've just done is added an empty image block to the page. Now it's time to upload the image. In your image block, look for a plus icon and click on it. After clicking, a new window will open, giving you options on where to get your image. There are 3 possible sources. You could upload the image straight from your computer by selecting Upload Images. You could choose an image already on your site by going to the image library. Or you could even select from a variety of professional stock photos. Select the source that suits you best and finalize your choice. Alternatively, if you'd like a quicker way to add an image, there's a drag and drop feature. Simply locate the image file on your computer, click on it, and without letting go, drag it over to the blank image block. Once the image block becomes highlighted, let go of the mouse button to drop the file onto the block. Squarespace will automatically upload the image onto the selected page. Let this be a reminder that your image should ideally be high quality to keep your website looking professional and pristine. Squarespace supports JPEG, PNG, and GIF file types, so you'd want your image to be in any of these formats. And that's it. We've successfully added an image to our Squarespace page. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if it takes you a few tries to get the hang of it. Before long, adding images to your Squarespace site will become second nature. Thank you for watching. In the next tutorial, we will cover how to optimize these images for SEO. Stay tuned and happy website building.